So we've just got the first kit of the AIRBAGMAN suspension helper system for the 2022 Chevy 2500 Silverado. So I just pulled it out of the box, got everything out, put this one together. Now we're just trying to figure out how to work, because it's the first one of its type. We don't really have any instructions, so I'm just going to wing it for now and see how it all works. So yeah, we'll see how we go. So I've got a few bits and pieces here. Just figured out how to do it. Being a prototype, I haven't found any instructions yet, but I'm guessing these go on like so, and they grab a hold of the steel. They go on like so, bolt through the bottom, and they will grab the bump stop, I'm guessing, hopefully. So the bottom plate is in, see, so that goes through there. That just sits like that, goes around there. There is one bracket you need to take off for the brake, some electrical thing for the brakes, I'm guessing. So once that's out of the way, that just goes on there quite easily. And yeah, it was quite a simple fitment actually. So yeah. So just going through, just doing all these up. And just put that U-bolt through from this side. Make sure you don't pinch any of those cables there. Run it through. Double check you don't pinch nothing. And then that's one bracket, bottom bracket done. So we've got the car up on jack stands. Just because I needed to get that extra space between here. So what I've done, I've taken off the bump stops. So they just literally just come out with a screwdriver. And what we have here, they're the original bump stops. So I've taken those out so they can fit over there. So this just fits like so, and they'll obviously come up and grip the side of that once it's all done. So there's all the brackets that I put together. They're all in there, ready to go. So I'm just going to undo this section here and put it in. So I've got it all bolted up, nice and tight. Everything's all nipped up. So just about running the airlines now. The airlines, it's not underneath. There's a canopy going on this. I'm not going to mount all the compressors and air tanks one under the car. I'm going to put them in the canopy later on. So I've just run the airline through here at the moment. So I'll run that along and just put the little tabs at the back so I can just manually inflate it. And yeah, they'll just slip in there. Just make sure you use the cutter supplied. Get some nice trace cuts. Last thing you want is air leaks. So and she's all fitted up, bolted up. This here's the only bracket you need to undo, and then do that back up once it's done. And it just sits in there quite nicely. It's a nice fit, very, very nice. Just got the U-bolt that goes around the leaf spring, and that U-bolt that goes around the diff. All the bracketry and everything's in. Nice fit, very happy. She rock solid, boy. Righto, we'll see what it's like when we go down. Not bad. Not bad at all. And there we have it, people. So I've completed the underside, so airbags and wiring, everything's in. So I've set this up all inside there. So we've got the valve block up the top, air compressor, and then the tank, air tank, and that's all wired in off of a power switch here. So you've got air compressor there. Also got a gauge situated just there, and also an outlet gauge to pump up tyres, and also this is on a remote as well. So by pushing the remote, you'll see that it goes up, fully remote control. So that's all from this remote control running off that valve block up there, and it goes down as well. That's full adjustable ride height, and thanks to the team at AIRBAGMAN for great support. I had a few issues wiring it up myself. They've awesome background tech support helping me with that. So that there. Also I've mounted 2 self-inflates as well to manually do the bags. So I've taken the spare tyre out so you can have a better look at the bag. So that's probably a better look on that one. So it's all mounted in, quite easy once it's all done. That one is a bit harder to see with exhaust in the way. That one's all done. And we can look at how high that it does raise. So that would be a good 3 inches there, and that's 50 psi. Very happy with the end product. So big thanks to AIRBAGMAN once again. You've not only done the 200 series, you've also done my Chevy as well, the 2500, first one. Thank you.